gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah.
When I first got my hands on the OPPO Find N6, I was honestly a bit skeptical. Foldable phones always come with one big question. Can they really replace your everyday smartphone? Things like display creases and long-term performance aren't always obvious right away. So I decided to use it as my primary phone for a while. And during that time, I realized that some assumptions we've had about foldables may not be as absolute as we once thought.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
I've seen plenty of foldable devices over the years and heard all kinds of technical jargon about hinges and folding mechanisms, but with the OPPO Find N6, the crease that many people considered unavoidable is still there, just reduced to such a minimal level that it's almost insignificant. It's shallow, subtle, and in everyday use, you barely notice it. By the time you're watching this video, you've probably already seen plenty of demonstrations showcasing the Find N6's crease performance. But over the past month, I intentionally pushed it further. Whenever I had a spare moment, I'd fold and unfold the device repeatedly, almost like conducting my own unofficial durability experiment to see how well it holds up over time. And the result? The display looks nearly identical to the day I took it out of the box. A lot of that comes down to OPPO's self-developed next-generation titanium alloy dome hinge and dome memory glass technology. These innovations tackle some of the biggest foldable challenges, including display durability and maintaining a low perception crease, making it difficult to go back to traditional designs once you've experienced it. Of course, when the screen is this flat and refined, the software experience needs to keep up as well. We recently talked about iPadOS 26.2 on the iPad Pro 2025, and honestly, iPadOS 26.2 is already excellent, but ColorOS 16 on the Find N6 still managed to surprise me in a few unexpected ways. As usual, I've come up with an easy mnemonic to remember the multitasking experience: push and pull to resize. Simply open an app and swipe from the bottom corner toward the center to quickly adjust window sizes. The system lets you resize freely and supports up to 4 windows at once. Add small windows for a full screen feel, or use floating windows to quickly switch back into full screen mode whenever needed. Then there's the 3-part panoramic virtual screen. When too many windows start cluttering the display, just pinch inward with 4 fingers to instantly shrink everything into a panoramic virtual screen, making the entire layout much easier to manage. Need to switch back? Simply spread your 4 fingers outward while in panoramic mode, and you're instantly returned to the multi-window interface. The whole experience feels incredibly fluid, almost like seamlessly connecting multiple small windows with the panoramic view. The interaction is intuitive, requires virtually no learning curve, and is simply more convenient to use. One thing worth mentioning is that within the panoramic virtual screen interface, only 3 apps can appear on the display simultaneously. Any other app shows up as a smaller window in the upper right corner. So, can the Find N6 actually serve as a productivity device? Personally, I think it absolutely can, especially thanks to its AI capabilities. After all, it's the first foldable flagship equipped with an AI-powered quick click button. For example, while planning a trip, I spent time reading travel guides and searching for food recommendations. With a simple press of the quick click button, all that information was automatically saved into my notebook. A double press instantly brought up all my saved memories, and opening them generated concise summaries of the key information. Once I finished researching, I could create new collections, and the system automatically categorized everything based on keywords. Even better, by tapping Ask a Question, the AI could directly answer questions using the information I'd already collected. No more constantly switching between web pages and notes. Recently, I traveled to Xishuangbanna and captured some sample photos there. As a content creator, I always want to make my videos more engaging. Things like aerial footage can really elevate the content, so I started watching various drone review videos, trying to figure out which models would best fit my needs. And I quickly discovered that the compact handheld form factor combined with the quick click button turned out to be an incredibly useful productivity tool. One feature I found especially useful is how it can save the complete structure of different content and automatically identify the key selling points of various drones. For someone like me who travels often, international trips are unavoidable. And when you're abroad, one of the most common problems is simply not understanding restaurant menus. Thankfully, that's no longer a big issue. Just long press the flash button to activate AI real scene recognition, point the camera at a menu, and it instantly translates everything into Chinese in real time. Curious about the first dish in the upper right corner? You can ask questions anytime, anywhere. The AI analyzes whatever is in front of you almost like a real person would. It's basically like carrying around an encyclopedia that can interact with you through a video call. But honestly, those are just some of the simpler use cases. What really caught my attention is the AI stylus. In many ways, it feels like the true soul of the Find N6. See an image you like? Just tap the mobile circle, drag it out, and share it instantly. Even rough sketches, random lines, tables, or handwritten notes can be transformed with a single tap into editable bar charts, flowcharts, or mind maps. You simply draw whatever comes to mind, and the system helps build the page for you. Even basic doodles can be converted into illustrations in different artistic styles with one click, including watercolor, marker, and poetic art styles. The attention to detail is also impressive. If your handwriting isn't neat, the system can automatically refine it. Write down a simple equation, and it'll solve it for you instantly. At first, you may think these features aren't necessary, but after using them for a while, they quickly become things you don't want to live without. The accessory ecosystem is equally complete. There's a dedicated protective case that the system recognizes immediately, and thanks to magnetic charging, battery anxiety is practically non-existent. The interaction between the Find N6 and the iPhone is also incredibly seamless. With just a simple touch, data can be transferred between the two devices. If you're already part of the iPhone ecosystem, the migration tools are surprisingly comprehensive. Contacts, calendars, photos, and videos can all be moved quickly, making the transition to a new phone much easier. The connection between the Find N6 and Mac has also seen significant improvements. You can directly connect your phone to your computer and synchronize messages effortlessly. Whenever a new message arrives, simply tap the notification and screen mirroring launches automatically, allowing you to send and receive messages directly from your Mac. Rather than feeling like separate devices, it genuinely feels like they're all working together within one unified ecosystem. Speaking of the overall experience, my first impression of the Find N6 is that it can truly serve as a primary imaging device. Whether you're shooting street photography or capturing landscapes, a simple press of the shutter consistently delivers excellent results. The rendering of light, shadows, detail, and color is particularly impressive, with plenty of room left for highlights. At the same time, dark areas retain rich detail, while colors remain natural and vibrant. Even in low-light situations, images stay clean and clear, requiring little to no editing afterwards. For those who want more creative control, the Hasselblad Master Mode offers extensive manual adjustments. You can fine-tune shutter speed, ISO, focus, and white balance just like using a professional camera. On the hardware side, the eye protection display remains comfortable whether you're under bright sunlight or watching videos late at night. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 paired with the Tide engine, delivering smooth performance even during heavy multitasking. Battery life is also impressive thanks to the 6,000 mAh battery combined with 80-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging, ensuring the phone is always ready when you need it. Water resistance is also excellent, carrying IP56, IP58, and IP59 ratings for added peace of mind. At the beginning of this video, we talked about creases, because for years we've believed that foldable phones inevitably leave visible marks. But the Find N6 challenges that long-standing assumption. Its display is flatter, its structure feels more durable, the software experience is smoother, and its camera system is more capable. And that's exactly what makes the Find N6 such an impressive device. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.